All right. So, like I said, I was going to show you guys how to set up your email platform server. I'm going to use mine as an example. Now, basically, the server is going to be constructed for you on WordPress. So I'm on my WordPress page now. This is the WordPress login page. Like I said, basically we are going to have to give you login details, and the login details are username and password. So you can see from my own end, this is my username and my password to my email server, and then all I do is I click login. So I'm logged in. Once you are logged in, you can see here I just finished a campaign for an upcoming event for next week Saturday. You can see I did a campaign just now. So what we do is, this is your dashboard. You have your dashboard, you have your home, but where you really need to go to is this aspect called the email campaign dashboard. When you get there, you can click on all campaigns, you can click on new campaign, you can click on autoresponder. That's, like I said, it's a mail server that allows you to communicate with people that you have their emails. So you can set up an autoresponder whereby you can set up emails 7 days ahead. Every single day you're communicating with your email lists, your database, and you're teaching people, or you're telling people about your products and services, or you're even running an online course and you are sending people updates about your online course. That's what the autoresponder does here. You can see subscribers tells you how many people you have that are in your email database. So that is where you go to. Subscribers. Forms. If you have forms you want people to fill, you can create a form on your platform and then send it via email to your database. You have your list, that's your email list. Every list has a name. So for instance, you have a list for Jumia, you have people, or e-commerce, you can create a list specifically for e-commerce. That is where the list will be. You have a list for car dealers, you can create a list of emails you have of people who are car dealers. That is where you would find it. Then you go to manage your subscribers. Manage your subscribers as those who subscribe to your email list. You can decide to send them to different categories depending on what you want to achieve with your subscribers base. Then you have templates. Template simply means how you want to design your email newsletter. Do you want videos in your email newsletter? You can do that. Do you want just pictures? You can do that. Add-ons, that's you have to pay for this actually. Add-ons means that you go to mailster. Mailster is a server, and you can decide to create more add-ons of things you want to do to make your email newsletter more appealing or more readable for your database. But for today, I'm going to show you how to set up an email campaign, an email newsletter. So we're going to click on new campaign. Alright, so now you have to create a new campaign. First of all, you have to name your campaign. So let me say, for instance, that the name of my campaign is it's just an assumption. Let me just say a campaign for digital marketing master class. So I have given my campaign a name. Then what is the subject? Every time you open your email, your inbox, there's always a subject, there's a headline to every email. So if Jumia sends you an email, they may tell you, okay, promo, 1 week promo for fashion items, stuff like that. So you need to give your email a headline, a subject. Here we're going to talk about digital marketing masterclass training for the month of March. Okay, then you come here. Most times the pre-header I always like to put there sponsored mail. So people who see it, because they don't know you from Adam, this is an email list that don't know you directly. You're sending your email to people who don't know you at first. So you let them know that okay, it's a sponsored mail. It's not spam, or else they will treat it as spam. So you just put there sponsored mail. Sender name. I can put my name. Most times, I always tell people, use your name as the sender. Don't use your business. Use your name. Then you can add your business at the end. Even major brands like Jumia, Hubmart, and the rest of them, they always tie their emails to somebody's name, and that's the person who is in charge of their digital media. So here we're going to put my name, Godse. From, let's say, events. All right, so then here is your email. You can leave it as this. Now when we create this server for you, we're also going to get you domain and hosting. So from this domain and hosting, you are entitled to 5 emails. It is from there that we will create this email for you, info@something.yourbusinessname.ng. all right, so that's done. So we just go here. If you click on this, it takes you to your media library already. You know, I have some pictures already, so let me just use this for instance. You use this, you change this my mail to your logo. Okay, now first of all, okay, let me show you guys how to get to. You just click on media. If you don't have, fortunately, well, I already have pictures here because I've been using this server, but let's just assume that it's a blank server. You're using it for the first time. For you to upload your pictures, the first thing you do is you click on media manager. When you click on media manager, you click on upload files. When you click on upload files, you will see select files. You click on select files, you can now upload as many pictures and as many videos as you want. You can upload as many pictures and as many videos as you want, but I'm not going to do that here. I'm just showing you an example. Already I have pictures, so I don't need to go to media manager anymore. All I need to do is click on the picture that I want, which is this, and then click on high definition, and then I click on save. When I do that, you see that the picture, the logo has changed. Now it's my logo that is there. So now these are the templates you have. You can start with a full-size image. You can start with intro. You can start with separator is for you to separate each aspect of your email paragraph. So I'm going to start with intro. Click here. Join us for the March digital marketing training. And here you just type whatever you want people to know. Greetings. We will be having another training for the month of March. Like I said, it's an example, so I'm not really going to go into too much details. And then you can decide, like I said, immediately you're done with the paragraph. The next thing you do is you click on separator. You've separated that paragraph. You can do the next thing, probably call to action. So I click on call to action, read more. If I click on this, it takes me to this. Now if I want to take people to another page, that's I want people to go and read more about what I'm talking about, all I need to do is insert the URL. It could be your Facebook URL, it could be your Instagram URL, or if you have a normal website, it could be your website URL. So you type it there, you put that in. Let's just say www.facebook. Okay, I think I have. Let me just say facebook.com/something like that. then you click save. So you are good to go. So now basically this is how your email campaign, your email newsletter is set up. Now this is the email link. You can actually use this link as your web URL if you're going to run a sponsored post on Facebook. I'm going to show you how it looks like. Link in a new page. This is it there. So this is how your message will look like as a website. But now let's go back to the mail. So what are we going to do? The next thing we're going to do is you have to send this email you just constructed now to your database. Here you can see different databases that have Lagos business owners. I have 73 of them. Business owners 90,000. Lagos business database 29,000. Manufacturers in Lagos 277, on and on like that. So let's just assume, okay, this is for digital marketing. So I'm looking for people who are business owners or who are into business, who want to, utilize digital media to expand their business base. So let's just assume I'm sending it to Lagos business database. So I click on that. Once you click on that, it tells you the total number of people who will receive your email, 29,405. The next thing you do is you can decide to do a test campaign to yourself to be sure that what you have done is going to reach the inbox of the people that you're targeting. So that's my email. I do send test. Great, message sent. Check your inbox. Message sent. Check your inbox. Let me see if it's there already. Let me see. Okay, it's not there yet. It's not there yet. Well, most times within 5 minutes you'll get the mail in your inbox. So the next thing you need to do is click on send this campaign. Click on send this campaign, and then you click on save. Click on save. The next thing you see is this: the campaign is currently progressing. You can see it written there. You go up here, you can see that your campaign has been published. Now, how do you follow up on the campaign? You go to all campaigns. You click on all campaigns. There, you see it. Digital marketing masterclass. You can see it progressing. It's progressing. Most times, when you have a database of 5,000 and above, it takes at least 8 hours for it to run completely in a day. 8 hours. So if you're going to run multiple campaigns in a day, you can start them all at the same time so that they can end at the same time within 8 to 10 hours. That is how you run a campaign on this platform. Now you can see I already have one running here. I have some finished here. I have one progressing already, 10,300 sent already out of 29,000. But the one we just did is on. So that is how we run a campaign on this platform.